for today is a quotient of polynomials. We are gonna make some division, so how divide polynomials, right? It is the same, multiply the real numbers by reciprocal. Like this, we have this formula here. We have px divided by qx. This is equals px times the inverse or reciprocal of qx is 1 qx. When a qx is different than 0, of course. Let's try to with numbers. See the some problem. Just practice the problem. So this problem, we have 2m to the fifth power minus 6m to the third power divided by 2m to the third power. What is the answer here? If you follow the rule, this rule, we have to write this number here, the top one, 2m to the fifth power minus 6m to the third power. Times what? Times what? Times 1 over 2m to the third power. 2m to the third power. What is the answer? You simplify all the steps, you are going to have, this is going to be equals m to the second power minus 3. See, that's the answer in this problem here. See, now let's solve another problem. Just apply division here. Division algorithm. Let's write this problem here. 2m minus 1. Divide this 4m to the third power minus 8m to the second power plus 4m plus 6. Okay, let's try these polynomials and divide it. Make a division. What is the quotient? What is the quotient of this division? The first step, look at this. The first step, we have to divide this, the first term, divide by the first term and the number, this number. So you divide 4m to the third power to divided by 2m is going to be equals 4 divided by 2 is 2. M divided by m. M to the third power divided by m to the first power. Remember, when you divide it, the exponents subtract. You're going to have here m to the second power. And then multiply. Let's multiply. And then this number must be with the opposite sign. Right now, let's do straight. 2 times 2 is 4. M times m to the first power times m to the second power is m to the third power. 2 negative 1 and positive 2 is going to be negative right here. 2 times 1 is 2 m to the second power, right? There's no variables here. Now subtract this term, subtract to the top one. You must to change the signs in the bottom one. Change the signs. I didn't because I want to explain it. So now subtract, right, with the positive signs. Then in the first term, you're going to have you subtract, just cancel here, cancel, and then this number, this negative 2 change to positive. Then you are going to have here positive 6m squared, right? 6m squared. Now bring down the next number, plus 4m, right? Now divide 6 divided by 2 is 3. Positive divided by positive, positive 3 right here. M squared to the m divided by m to the first power is going to be m right here. m. Now multiply 3 times 2 is 6. Positive. 3 times, this is negative. Negative times positive is negative. Here, 3 times 1 is 3. Here, 3 m times nothing is m. Now subtract. Change the sign. This number is going to be negative and this is going to be positive. If you do that, then cancel here, and then this is changed to positive. What is going to have? This is negative, change to positive. What is the answer now? So the answer is going to be positive, negative, positive is going to be 7m, 7m. I mean 3 times 1, yeah, it's 3m. It's going to be positive. This is positive. Let's see, review. Positive. Yeah, it's okay. It's going to be negative. It's positive 7m. Okay. Bring down plus 6. Now the next step. Next step. No, this here is not okay. I'm checking. Look at this. Here, this number is not positive. See, this is negative. This is negative. When you write here is negative. So 3 times here. Look at this. 3 times 3 negative times positive is going to be negative right here. So it's 6. Yeah, right here. So this is negative times negative is positive. Yeah, no. Negative. Yeah, okay. So 3 is 6. Now 6. Here 6, and then here is positive. Right? Very important to check this mistake. Now here. This change, this number here is negative, right here, negative, right? This was there. So now this is positive, it's going to be positive, it's going to be negative. So now it's here cancel, but here is going to be negative. Then you are going to have m, only m plus 6. Okay, bring down the next number. It's a little bit confused. Now divided by this. If you divide m by 2m is equals, let's see, let me do it right here, sometimes confused. m divided by 2m. Let's suppose it has the numerator 1. You change this is going to be here times 1 2m. Then what is the number then? This is positive 1/2, right? Positive 1/2. And then if you multiply 1/2 by 2m, you're gonna have m only right here, m. Just write like that, m, and then it's positive. Now 1/2 times 1, this is negative right here. It's going to be 1/2. See, and now change the signs. Change the signs. Change the signs of each term. M is positive, it's going to be negative. So then cancel right here. This is negative, it's going to be positive. 6 plus 1/2. 6 has 12/2. Plus 1/2 is equals 13/2. Okay. All right, that's it. That problem. Let's do another one. It's a little bit confused, but let's not confuse. Once you practice, it's gonna be easy. So let's solve another problem. Let's do another problem here. This one, missing term. Missing term. Or missing term, one term, only one. Let me write the problem. X minus 4 this number, inside we have 3x to the third power plus 2x to the second power, and missing the x to the first power, and then here we're going to have 150. Okay, now same thing before. Let's do, try not confuse. I would like make easier to now this. Divided by x, this divided by 3 divided by 1 is going to be 3 right here. 3. X divided by x, third to the first is x to the second power. Now multiply, see? Multiply 3 times x, 3x to the second power times x is going to be 3x. Then negative times positive is going to be negative, right? 3 times 4 is 12. 12x squared. Now subtract here. I don't want to confuse. Remember the problem before. That's why I'm doing this one. So now change the signs. We have to change the sign. This is positive, it's going to be negative. Negative. This is positive, negative is going to be positive. So then cancel here. And then if you change this positive, these signs, then you are going to have 10 here minus 2 is going to be equals 12. 12 here minus 2 is going to be 10. Positive 10 x. And then divide this number, missing one term. Remember, missing one term here. Now divide by x is positive here. Is going to be 10x. Now multiply 10x by x this is x squared. Now minus or negative 4 times 10 is going to be negative 40. Negative 40x. Negative 40x. So change the signs. Now in the bottom one, change the signs. Here is going to be negative, this is going to be positive. Then cancel here, and then you are going to have what here? Positive 40x. Bring down the next number, next term. You now have minus 150. Now divided by x, this you divide it is 40. X divided by x is 4. 40. 40 only. So now multiply 40 by x is 40x. Positive. Now negative minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 here is negative, and then subtract. Change the signs in the bottom one. You change the signs here, it's going to be negative, this is going to be positive. Now, here, cancel here. 160 minus 150 is going to be 10, right? Easier, yeah. We got confused in the first one, but after, once you started solving the problem is easier. You practice the problems, easier. So mathematics is like to sport. You need to practice all activity. You practice. It's going to be one day easy. So easy math. This is the quotient of polynomials. At this point, I think this so far I explained what I mean this topic for today for college algebra. Just find the quotient. How find the quotient? This is it's not hard, but the process you need to do the right way. The signs, see the signs, keep right the multiplications and division, and see the signs all the time. And subtraction or addition, check it every step by step, check it, and then you got it